welcome back to my channel. I'm Teresa and I'm a muddled mess. The last time I was down here decluttering, I wound up decluttering a shelf and I got rid of a ton of baseball cards and books and different things, and I actually got rid of the shelf. And one of the things is that when you're decluttering, you can kind of get an idea of what's still left in the area. And so there were some other things that I had saw that could probably just go. Um, and so I'm going to try to grab those things that I saw last time that I can just go ahead and toss out. One of the things was we had an old fireplace insert down here in the basement. My husband had bought it because he wanted to fix the fireplace and get it going, but there were actual bricks falling out of the insert, and so I didn't think that was very safe or fireproof. So the kids actually took the fireplace insert out and took it down to the curb, but there were a few things that were left behind from it. One was like the log holder and like the doors to it. So I'm actually going to take those out and I'm going to stick them by my trash can upstairs. We do recycle metal, like we recycle our aluminum cans, we recycle the steel cans that our food comes in. So I think I'm going to put it, maybe start a metal pile out there of anything that's down here that could be recycled. So I'm going to gather that up and go ahead and take that up and get it out of here. These were the doors to it. So I'm going to take these out. And then this stuff here, as you can see, this held the log and then some other metal pieces that had gone to it. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this up and get this out of here. Okay, dirty fingers. Some other things that I saw that down here that no, we don't want is that box back there and those two totes. I know it's in there and we don't want it. So I'm going to go ahead and get those out of here as well. All right. So that looks better already. I've got those totes out and I got the stuff for the old fireplace out. And there was one other thing that I noticed down here, and that is a barbell, I guess it is, that belonged to my son, and I asked him if he still wanted it. A lot of times with, something belongs to somebody else, the only thing you can do is ask them if they want it or not. And I asked him and he said no. He said, I don't use it. So he doesn't have like a bench for it, but he wants to go ahead and get rid of it. So it's going to go out as well. Oh goodness. It's a bit heavy, but it's going. So we're going to go ahead and get that out of here too. Because I don't think any of us are going to actually use that. So that's going to go. I'm glad to be getting things done a little bit at a time. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on cleaning and decluttering and organizing. And everyone seems to have a different idea of where you should start. Some people say to start with your clothes. Some people say to start in your main living areas. Some people say to start in your drawers or cabinets. I don't care where you start, as long as you start. And I don't care where I start. So mostly what I'm starting with is just things that I don't have as much sentimental attachment to. I'm beginning with the things that are easier for me to get rid of, because that way hopefully I can get rid of a lot of stuff quicker. So just start with whatever's easy. Start with whatever you don't feel any kind of an attachment to. And hopefully you'll see results and you'll get things done. And I'm hoping I see results and that I'm able to get things done. So little by little, every little bit is going to count and it's going to make a difference, as long as I keep at it and keep doing it. And the main thing is just consistency, right? So if we can just get into a consistent habit of decluttering and getting rid of stuff, then it'll get out the door. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe if you'd like to. I hope you do. And I will see you soon.